Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool, 1966 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport True SS car. Recent body up restoration, guys. This is the factory color combination. It's Marina blue metallic with the factory black bucket seat interior. Neat car. Really got a great sound underneath the hood. It's got a mild built 355 cubic inch Chevrolet small block, 4-speed manual trans. They've added disc brakes. It's got a nice lumpy little cam. Car's out of Florida, good solid straight body. I think before that it came out of Virginia. You can see it's got a cowl hood, 17-inch chrome Ridler wheels all the way around it with ZR rated rubber. Good looking car. I think that'll come off, guys. I think we missed something there. This stuff looks original here. You could pick it a little bit, but it's really nice. Bumpers have definitely been replaced. Slick paint. And again, this is a factory Marina blue car. You see the padded dash in there. A little stone peck on your hood. I get that question a lot, how come I point stuff out. The reason being, guys, 90% of these cars we sell sight unseen. We don't meet anybody. We sold a little Dart here this morning, and it's the first time, I can't remember, in a month we've had like a person come in and buy. It's all over the internet. They go all over the world. So anything that I can see, I just try to point out. Factory tail panel. Showing a little wear, but pretty doggone nice. I don't think you can buy that piece yet. I think that's a one piece on these cars that they don't reproduce. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. Goes down the road real good. Yeah, we missed some stuff on the bumpers there too. Good looking car. Car's got real good eyes. And they've converted it to front disc brakes. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Good sounding Chevy small block. And it's a 350 base, 30 over 350, which is the 355. 4-speed manual trans. It's got a quick fuel dual feed 4-barrel, polished intake, aluminum heads, really nice set of ceramic headers on it, aluminum radiator with a shroud, MSD Pro Billet distributor. Again, does have front disc brakes. They have tied the frame on the car too, so it can take some horsepower. Good look to it, man. That's a nice car. These look original. Again, dual chrome mirrors on it, new door handles. Stainless looks good at the top of the doors. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, factory bucket seats with center console. It's got the correct T-handle shifter in it. New carpet. New sill plates. Headliner looks good. Again, sports steering wheel. Showing, I don't know if you're going to see it with that tach, with 10,200. That's supposed to be the miles on the resto. It's got an aftermarket phantom face tach and gauges underneath there. Factory AM Delco radio works. padded dash, parking brake works. It's got good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. 10 bolt 355 limited slip rear axle. You can see they have finished the trunk, so that's nice for sound deadening. When you're driving down the road, man, it just, these things are so much quieter if you do that. Very clean underneath. Floors look good. I think all that stuff's original. It's supposed to have all the original panels still on it. They've gone through and they restored this and redid all the seam seal. That's nice. And factory bucket seats. Ooh, it's a warm one. Center console looks good. Got some spider webs in there. Nathan fires this thing up. It's got good sound. Nice little cam to it. Sounds good, man. Pretty color. Cam just working in there. Tach works, fuel gauge works. It's like all your gauges over there working. Oh, good old pressure. Everything opens and closes nice. Nathan. Lower motor works. Again, even the factory AM radio works. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.